Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you how I made my scum villain self-saving system Ita bag. A small disclaimer before we start, I ran out of time to film the full process of me making the bag because I procrastinated and did it last minute before a convention. I originally filmed this 3 years ago and have already finalized the bag since then. I don't show the entire process, but I will explain in this video what I did off camera and will show the finished product. The first step was to remove any existing pins and keychains. As you can see on this one, I have a mix of danmei keychains on this and I want to make it exclusively scum villain themed, so I'm going to remove my cardboard insert, and behind it there were a lot of keychains that I actually had saved up for this project. So I'm going to remove those from the front pocket. Here's what it looks like when my cardboard insert is removed. Now I'm going to take my cardboard insert and I'm just going to remove all of the keychains and pins that are currently on it. I'll take off the pins and buttons first since they're the easiest. Then I'll take a scissors and cut the threads that are connecting my keychains to the backing. Here is all the pins that I have and keychains. So step 2 is to pick new keychains and pins to decorate your Ita bag insert. Once you finish picking them out, step 3 is to plan your layout. So I do this by just taking a bunch of my pins and keychains and just placing them around the cardboard to kind of figure out how I want to lay them out. And then real quick, this is how I attach my enamel pins to my cardboard backing. I just puncture it through the cardboard and then put the pin backs on top so that it stays in place. And I decided I wanted to move some more stuff around, so here I am cutting off more of the keychains. And I'll continue laying out more keychains and pins before I finalize my design. Here's what my finished layout looks like. I'm going to take a picture of this on my phone and then I'll remove all of the keychains I placed down and I will start attaching everything on by following the photo I have on my phone. The next step is to attach the keychains and pins. So real quick, I'm going to show you how I attach my keychains to my Ita bag inserts. So you'll need 2 pliers. I have a needle nose plier and a flathead plier right now. I'm going to use one plier to hold 1/2 of the jump ring, making sure that the opening of the jump ring is still open at the top. Then I'll take the other plier to hold the other end and I will pull the jump ring towards myself. Then I'm going to find the keychain attachment and remove it. And to close it, it's just doing the same thing, taking one of the pliers and pushing it back into place. Once I have the keychain like this, I will sew it onto my cardboard backing using a needle and thread. If you ever decide to use your keychain again, the process is the same to make it back into a keychain. You just open the jump ring and put the keychain attachment back on, and then it can be used as a keychain normally. So here's the final product, and I've taken this to several conventions already. I really like the placement, so I haven't changed it much since filming this video. If there's enough interest, I could make a more detailed video on how I make my Ita bag inserts from start to finish. As you notice for this bag, I already had the insert made when I started redesigning it, so just leave a comment if you would like me to do a full video tutorial and I can work on making one for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye!